Hello everyone, this is Vishal from Visual Language Experts. Why do we need advanced strategies in PTE? Because generic templates are not going to work in 2025. So you need customized skills, customized strategies to get your desired bands in PTE. So I'm going to first discuss why generic templates are not going to work and what are generic templates. So generic templates are like where you are repeating certain sentence structures, vocabs again and again. Because PTE has upgraded the AI and it is tracking the repetitive words or structures, that's why it's going to block the generic templates. And we know human evaluation is also in the play. That means if you are using repetitive structures like I can see from the image, I can see from the image, it is going to flag your answer and it will take it to the human examiner for rechecking or actually for evaluation. So that is a problem. But which templates can work? The templates which actually give you a structure to write your own content, to speak your own words, that template will work. So you need those customized templates to boost your scores, guys. And we know there have been so many changes in the algorithm, not only for the speaking, but also for the writing as well. So I'm going to discuss the advanced strategies which will boost your marks at least by 5 to 6 marks minimum in just one tutorial. So this is actually very important tutorial and I will be covering those advanced strategies which I share to our face-to-face students, to our online students as well. So if you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and like. Let's talk about speaking advanced strategies. The scrimmage and retail lecture are the areas where you need advanced strategies. So for the scrimmage and retail lecture, first thing you need to remember is you cannot use repetitive vocab. You need different set of vocab such as segments, elements. You can use first segment is this, whereas second element is this. You can put words like left axis, y axis. You can put words like positions, left, right, top, bottom. These are the set of vocabs you need to use in your template so that it is not repetitive and it will not be flagged. And this is the reason our students are also getting 90 in speaking, even though they only want 6 or 7. So use this set of vocab in your scrimmage to boost up your marks instantly. And don't forget to put trend, such as highest trend, lowest trend, maximum trend or a minimum trend. One trend is enough and that will help you to boost up your marks straight away. Now for the retail lecture, you have to ensure that you are not using single words. That is a common mistake which a lot of students are still making. In 2025, if you want to get your scores in PTE speaking retail lecture task, you must include phrases. You can use 2 small phrases as well in one sentence. Let's say global warming and rising temperatures. So these are 2 different set of phrases, 2 small phrases. You can join them together in one sentence. So you can say, he talked about global warming and rising temperature in the lecture. That will help you to boost up your marks for the retail lecture. And always maintain the fluency and clarity to get better marks in speaking section, guys. Now let's talk about writing advanced tips. For writing, you need coherence, content to get better marks. Now what is coherence? If your ideas are not linked, if there is no relationship amongst them, you will not get good marks in writing summary or in essay. So if I talk about written text, you need to include the sentences which are related with one another. And the easiest way to do that is pick the sentences which are talking about the topic. So the main topic, if you pick it up and put it as a subject, then all the sentences you're picking for that subject will be linked with one another. That is really important and helpful to improve the coherence in the sentence, in the summary. So this is really important. And don't forget, there should be relativity amongst those sentences in the written summary. Now for essay writing, use a mix of simple sentences along with complex sentences. I have seen templates which only uses complex sentences. That's also not a good idea. And I have also seen templates which only has simple sentences. So you need to use a mix of simple and complex sentences. The template in front of you is a good example. Here you have set of simple sentences and you have a set of complex sentences as well. So this is really important for you to get better marks in the coherence, linguistic range, and also it will help you to boost up your content, because templates like this on the screen will help you to put ideas in a very structured manner. That means you will lose less marks in grammar, you will lose less marks in spellings. So very important tip here, guys, for essay writing, that always ensure that you are using a structure which is having mix of sentences, but along with that it is allowing you to put ideas in a very clear and in a very structured manner. And one another point I would like to add here is, for the keywords, a lot of students are not able to put the relevant keywords. So I'm going to give essay keyword file to our subscribers free of cost. So if you have not subscribed, subscribe now. Just email me on this email address with the proof of subscription that you have subscribed and you have clicked on the bell notification icon. So I will share this list of essay keywords which has a high repetition rate to all of you guys. Now let's look into reading advanced steps. So reading, you need to start with skimming. You need to get main ideas from the sentence. Then you need to develop an understanding. And then you need to use tools like elimination method or prediction method. That is really important. So let me show you quickly how I'm going to solve a particular blank with predictions and with skimming.
I've spent most of the week with the flu. I'd heard flu season was starting early this year, but I wasn't prepared for it to be this early. In part because predictions for flu outbreaks are still not that precise, especially in germy places like here in New York City. But a new approach, borrowing real-time analysis techniques from the latest weather prediction models, might be able to forecast the next flu season. Weather modeling draws on current conditions and filters to make predictions. Now that we're all Googling flu-related queries when we get sick, real-time influenza infection rates are available online. Epidemiologists can feed this info into models, like the ones used for weather, that can sort through the chaos to predict sickness or health. Researchers tested the flu formula against data from 5 actual recent flu seasons in New York City. Given online flu search information, they were able to predict the peak of the outbreak in the city nearly 2 months in advance. The findings are in Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences. Now, I would love a prediction of when I'm going to be fully recovered.
So, as you see, I've got all the answers correct. The trick was I was reading it along with the speaker, and that's why I was able to get perfect marks in this task. Follow this strategy and get perfect marks for listening and for reading as well.
So don't forget to practice from predictions, guys, because let's say even if you get 2 blanks and you will be able to solve them in matter of seconds. So you will automatically have more time to put it towards your other questions of the reading module. Now that's what our students are doing, and that's why they are able to score 90 in reading, 90 in listening with these advanced tips. So implement these tips in 2025 and you will also get your desired bands. Now if I talk about listening advanced tips, the first thing comes into mind is concentration. You need to improve your concentration, you need to improve your focus. And along with that, spellings. I have seen students who are even able to pick everything, but their spellings are not correct. So the best way to improve spellings is make a list of wrong spellings and put right words in front of it. That is the way I used to practice as well when I used to do PTE back in 2016 or 2017. So it's really important for you also that whenever you make any spelling mistake, put a list of spellings wrong as well and right as well, and keep revising them every 3rd day. That's going to help you to increase your spelling marks or basically improve your spellings. Another point I would like to add in the listening is that you need to practice in a noisy environment, because in the real exam also you will get recordings which has a lot of background noise. So you will get used to that environment and it is going to be relatively much easier for you to get right answers and obviously pay more attention to the audio. So this is really a good tip for all the students struggling in a listening module. And a final tip I would like to add is practice at 1.2 speed when you are comfortable at a speed of 1. that will allow you to also tackle fast audios in the real exam. You can easily do it from a Vision Language Experts portal that will help you to tackle all kind of audios in the real exam. See, resources and materials make all the difference. If you're practicing from a material where you know that a repetition rate is higher, that is actually guaranteeing your success. So please only rely on the resources which are trustable. Vision Language Experts provide you every month updated material and free of cost. You just need to sign up for free, and I would like you guys to go over there and practice for unlimited times. You will be able to get some questions definitely from a portal in your real exam as well, and that will make all the difference. Now, if you are struggling consistently, you should get personalized coaching. So if you are looking for personalized plan coaching, you can WhatsApp us on this number. A team will analyze your mistakes and will put a structured plan for you so that we can help you to get your desired bands in 2025. Now, are you struggling in summarized spoken text? Don't forget to watch this video. And if you need a customized plan for you, then this study plan will help you in 2025 to clear your PTE. Comment below on which topic you want me to make next tutorial. I will try to cover that topic in my next tutorial. Now, don't forget to hit subscribe and like button. I will see you in our next tutorial. All the very best. Vishal is signing off from VLE.